Have you ever wanted to create a professional-looking text animation in Figma? If so, you've picked the right video because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this advanced text animation in Figma in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, to create this effect, we need two different text layers. We need a text layer as our static text, and we need another text layer as our moving text. I'm going to create a text layer, so let me write, empower your vision with, just like that, and I'm gonna make it bold. Then I'm gonna decrease its width like this, and here we'll position our moving text. Now, I'm going to duplicate this text layer, move it to the right side and write, design, like this. We can adjust the text width to a different setting and position it lower to align with our other text layer. Next, let's modify its color. I'll use a sort of blue color. Don't worry too much about the exact colors since you can always adjust them later. Next, I'll double-click on the text, press enter for a new line, and add our second word, innovation. Press enter again and write, style. Now we need to create a mask, but I'll show you a useful trick instead of using a traditional mask. Right-click on the text and select frame selection. This will essentially place the text in a frame. You'll see frame 1 appear. Now I'll reduce the frame height and enable the clip content checkbox, which masks our other two words, exactly what we wanted. Next, select both text elements. We have one frame and one text layer. Right-click and choose frame selection again to create another frame. Let's name it frame 1. Now we can duplicate it using Ctrl-D. The next step is to double-click our text layer inside the created frame and move it upward. You can use arrow keys for precise movement. For perfect alignment with the other text layer, temporarily move it outside the frame, align it with the baseline, then place it back. We'll repeat this process with the other text. Select it and move it up, align it precisely, and place it back in the frame. Now select all 3 frames and navigate to the toolbar. Click the small arrow to open the drop-down menu and select Create Component Set. This will generate our component set containing our variants. For now, let's go to the Prototype tab to make these interactive. Creating an interaction is straightforward. Select the first frame, click the plus button, and connect it to the next variant. In the Interaction Details menu, change the trigger to After Delay. The default 800 milliseconds duration works fine, but let's change the animation type. From Instant to Smart Animate and set the easing to Out Back. You have various options like Bouncy Quick, but I prefer this setting. I'll adjust the duration to 600 milliseconds. Now we'll repeat this process for the remaining variants. Select the next frame, create a new interaction, and set the trigger to After Delay. Keep the duration consistent since we want uniform timing. Finally, select the last frame and connect it back to our first frame, setting the trigger to After Delay. That completes our setup. Let me demonstrate how to use it. Go to Assets and drag your component into your design. To customize colors, simply access the Selection Colors panel and modify as needed. Now let's preview our work. I'll select the frame and test it. There's our smooth, beautiful animation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one. Stay connected.